que tu viens de dire, Benjamin?
Je voulais savoir si tu avais réussi à voir les souffles de baleine ou de je sais pas quoi à ta gauche ou si tu n'avais rien vu.
J'ai rien vu. J'étais là équipé avec mon grand caméra et tout, j'ai rien vu.
Ah merde, non, parce que c'est vraiment passé entre Jean et moi, quoi. Un peu plus proche de moi. Et j'ai pas vu ce que c'était, mais j'ai juste vu les gros souffles, quoi.
Ouais, je vais encore passer un petit moment dehors, profiter du coucher de soleil et peut-être j'ai la chance de voir quelque chose.
Ouais, moi c'est pareil, je vais rester un peu dehors, faire une petite vidéo pour Noël, et puis voilà.
Ouais, pareil. Ok, à tout à l'heure. Ciao, ciao. That's Benjamin Dutroux, water family. And that's here's Monaco. Not far behind. Every day is so different. Today it's much colder because of the strong wind, and I hide in this corner here now to see the sunset, to take the video for you, and there's a big swell rolling, well not so big but 2 meters from leeward, from right where the sun is. Rolling towards us, and on top we are much higher, we have more wind, we start foiling, on the bottom we sink in the water a little bit again. Let me show you. Now we are high, we're up a bit faster, getting down again. Again, like the deep breath of the ocean. So then on the VHF was just Benjamin Dutroux on Water Family. He was saying that he had seen the whale, I don't know how you call that in English, where they blow out the air between Jean Le Cam and us, and unfortunately I wasn't able to spot it. I went outside when he called me, it was a camera, but didn't catch it. I saw the albatross, and I have seen a special type of dolphins this morning. It's blue sky, high pressure, beautiful day. Not sure if going fast will do anything for us because we are in kind of a traffic jam here with the high pressure. We have to wait for this special transport to go through first, and then we can speed up. But the boat is going by itself, it's auto-helming. Last night it was a bit difficult when it stopped being in control. There was zero wind, the sails were flapping violently. So not much sleep in the night. Same for Benjamin, we chatted a bit on VHF, he had the same issue. It's great to see these two on VHF, to have company. It's the 23rd December today. Tomorrow is Christmas. But for you in Europe, it's Christmas today, so in a way it's already Christmas, the Christmas day. And I will talk about it later again, but already now, very Merry Christmas to all of you. I wish you the very good day with your friends, your family, the ones who you manage to have around you, or you call, you video call. Don't underestimate the technology. Talking to people is also very nice, and it's with all the restrictions, I guess it's what you have to do for many of your friends at this special Christmas. All the best for today and for my day. Later in your day I will send a little update again.